Hi. In a previous video, we discussed the fact that there are no mysteries in golf. I'd like to talk to you now about why a golf ball does what a golf ball does. Far too many people hit a ball, observe the ball flight, and look at it as though they have no idea why the ball did what it did. There are essentially 9 different ball flights we can create. They are based on 2 factors. My ball has 3 directions it can start out in to varying degrees. My ball can either start left of my intended line, down my intended line, or right of it. From those 3 different starting conditions, we have 3 directions the ball could curve. That means if my ball were to start left, it could continue to curve to the left, it could continue to fly straight, or it could curve back to the right. If we total those all together, we have 9 potential ball flights. These ball flights, if we observe, can help us diagnose problems with our golf swing. If we understand 2 simple principles, my club face will determine curvature of the ball, my club head path will dictate where the ball starts out. What that means is, if I swing the club head to the left of my intended line, I can expect that ball to start to the left. If the club face is open relative to the line the club's moving on, I can expect that ball to curve back to the right. So if I'm prone to hit a pull slice, I essentially have 2 problems. I have a path problem and I have a club face problem. But then I can objectively approach my problems and fix one at a time until I have the ball going down my plane line and staying down my plane line.